In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the language in your GoDaddy account quickly and easily. Whether you accidentally selected the wrong language, moved to a different region, or simply prefer browsing in another language, GoDaddy makes it simple to update your settings. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can follow along without any confusion. Make sure to watch until the end, so you don't miss the final save step that actually applies the change. And if this video helps you out, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical GoDaddy tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to GoDaddy.com. Once you're on the homepage, sign into your GoDaddy account. You can do this by clicking the Sign In button, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Enter your username or customer number and your password, then complete any two-step verification if prompted. After signing in successfully, you'll be redirected to your main account dashboard. Now that you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile name or account icon there. Go ahead and click on your profile name. This will open a drop-down menu with several account-related options. From that drop-down menu, select Account Settings. This will take you to the main settings area, where you can manage your personal details, security preferences, and communication settings. Once you're inside Account Settings, look to the left-hand side menu. You'll see multiple options listed vertically. Find and click on Contact Preferences. This section controls how GoDaddy communicates with you and includes regional and language settings. After opening Contact Preferences, scroll down until you find the Language drop-down menu. This is the setting that determines the display language used in your GoDaddy account interface and communications. Click on the Language drop-down menu to see the available language options. Depending on your region, you may see several choices, such as English, Spanish, French, German, and more. Carefully select your preferred language from the list. Once you've selected the language you want, don't forget the most important step, saving your changes. Scroll if necessary and click the Save button. This confirms your selection and updates your account settings. After saving, your page may refresh automatically. In some cases, you might need to manually refresh the page or sign out and sign back in to see the language fully updated across your account. If the language doesn't change immediately, try clearing your browser cache or reopening the site in a new tab. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language in your GoDaddy account. As you can see, the process is straightforward once you know where to look. Sign in, open your profile, go to Account Settings, choose Contact Preferences, select your preferred language, and save the changes. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow GoDaddy guides. I regularly post tutorials to help you manage your domains, hosting, email, and account settings with confidence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.